Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix this sound or this audio isn't available on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The TikTok design is an available error is deeply annoying because the app often doesn't give a clear indication as to why a video's been muted at all and why you can search for the audio that you want to use. However, the TikTok mute the video audio error is but frustrating and often can be traced to one specific cause. So that the user's video have been reported, such as for a copyright violation. If that's the case, if there's any way to fix the TikTok your video has been remuted or you can't use for the audio that you want to use, or you can't find for the audio that you want to use to your video, how to fix it? It's very simple. So first of all, you have to make sure that your account is on the personal account. So you can check it first. You can go to your profile, tap on the upper corner in the three lines over here. If you find there's like a creation and business tools on your TikTok account, it means your TikTok is on the business mode. So you can just switch it to the personal mode. So you can go to settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, you can go to account. From account, you can just switch to personal account. Select on switch to personal account. Switch anyway. So after this, you can just see on your video that TikTok has been removed the audio. I will try to reopen the app first. Now you can search for the audio that you want to use for your video on TikTok. Right. So that is how to fix this sound isn't available on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.